Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Today's DIY is going to be a seasonal door wreath requested by subscriber Emily Dawns. So here you see we will be using 2 of the Dollar Tree mini Christmas trees with an assortment of their Christmas bulbs. After I loosen the hardware from the tree, I go ahead and glue down the fibers against that metal end. After the glue cools down, I open and straighten out all of the tree branches. And once the branches are pulled apart, I go ahead and find a space to start spreading the branches out in the back so that the tree will be flat and the bar will be exposed. Once I have both trees straightened out and in a position I need them to be in, I go ahead and put them both together so that I'll have a nice bushy door wreath. I use zip ties to tie down 2 ends of the tree. Now I can go ahead and get ready to arrange all of the ornaments. Right here I begin to pick and choose which ornaments I will be using out of all that I have, and the color scheme that I'll be decorating with for these ornaments are the blush pink, gold, and white. I use the string from the ornament to help anchor it in place. I use this ornament to be the focal point, which means I'm using this ornament to decorate around it. This helped me focus on balance and how I position the other ornaments. In this area right here, I made sure I used a generous amount of the glue. On Instagram Reels, I saw a new way to add the ornaments on the wreath without having to use glue. And all you do is take that nylon string and I thread it through 3 bulbs. I tie them together and then wrap them around and secure them onto the wreath. Now in the Reels video, the young lady, I don't know her name to be able to give her credit, she used the pipe cleaners instead of the nylon thread. But I still used glue to help secure my ornaments in place. Once I was done putting the Christmas ornaments in place, making sure they were secure, I moved forward with adding in the rest of the decorations. Now these pink leaves, I wasn't sure how I wanted them in. This right here is just an idea, and I was also ready to install the mirrored ornaments. So I put the pink leaves in place, but I wasn't sure if that's where I wanted them, but I moved forward with installing the mirrored ornaments. And right here I'm adding glue in between all of my ornaments to make sure that they are secure. And once I've finished adding on the rest of the decorations, guys, this is the final result. Isn't it beautiful? What do you guys think? At the top I added a tulle bow, and actually I made it into like a puff, but it turned out so pretty. I really think this turned out nice, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you think so too. And again, I would like to say thank you to Emily Dawns for requesting this video. And guys, if you are not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button, then tap that notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will know. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below. And I will see you guys in the next DIY video. Bye-bye.